If you hold a real estate note, or you're trying to figure out what one even is, you're in the right place. I'm Phil Gorman, and I've been working with real estate notes for over 40 years. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to explain exactly what a real estate note is, how it works, and why it matters to you. Let's break it down. A real estate note is a legal promise to repay a loan, secured by real property. Here's how it works. Let's say you sold a house. Instead of the buyer getting a loan from a bank, you agreed to finance the sale yourself. The buyer gives you a down payment and then makes monthly payments to you over time, just like they would to a bank. That written agreement, the promise to pay you back, is the note. It's also called a promissory note, a mortgage note, or a trust deed note, depending on where you live. Every note includes a few key details: the principal amount, how much was borrowed; the interest rate, what the borrower is paying you for the loan; the payment schedule, how much they pay each month and for how long; the collateral, the property that secures the loan; and the default terms, what happens if the borrower stops paying. Think of it like this: the note is the IOU, the property is the guarantee. If the borrower doesn't pay, you have the legal right to take back the property. Here's why this matters. A real estate note isn't just a piece of paper. It's an asset, just like a house or a car or a piece of land. And just like any other asset, you can sell it. Maybe you need cash today and you don't want to wait years for those monthly payments. Maybe the borrower is giving you headaches and you want out. Maybe you're planning for retirement and you want to simplify your finances. Whatever your reason, you have options. You can sell the entire note. You can sell part of it. You can hold it and keep collecting payments. The choice is yours. So that's a real estate note in a nutshell. It's a promise to repay a loan, secured by property, and it's an asset you own. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every week breaking down everything you need to know about real estate notes, from valuation to selling to avoiding common mistakes. And if you want to go deeper, download my free report, 5 Insider Tips to Maximize the Value of Your Trust Deed Note. You'll find the link below. I'm Phil Gorman. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.